So, a couple of days ago, all we had were leaked product images of the Mavic 4 Pro, the base package, the Fly More combo, and the Creator combo featuring the RC Pro 2. And yeah, they looked nice, but let's be honest, they were just marketing shots. Today, though, we finally have actual images of the real drone. Not prototypes. Not placeholders. This looks like the final version, and honestly, it's clean. Big shout out to Igor Bogdanov, Jasper Ellens, and Oita LV for bringing these images to light. Right away, you can tell that the design has been refined compared to previous models. The body looks more aerodynamic, the arms are slimmer, and the gimbal setup has been completely reworked. The new tri-camera system is compact but powerful, and you can also spot 2 obstacle avoidance sensors on the top, along with a built-in beacon light for night flights. But here's something that isn't immediately visible: a LiDAR or infrared sensor. It's tucked into the front right arm, right under the props, which suggests DJI is stepping up its obstacle detection game in a big way. Now, let's talk about the controller. The standard RC2 is still here, and there's nothing new to report on that since it launched in 2023. But what's interesting is the claim that the Mavic 4 Pro flies 6 times better than the Mavic 3 Pro. That's a weird metric, and honestly, it's hard to say exactly what it means. If it's true, though, we're probably looking at major improvements in flight stability, maneuverability, obstacle avoidance, GPS precision, or maybe even wind resistance. But until we actually see it in action, it's all just speculation. But now, let's get into something truly interesting: the RC Pro 2 controller. And wow, this thing looks nothing like what we're used to. It's kind of weird but also functional. Clearly, DJI wanted to move past the original RC Pro, so they went ahead and built something completely different. The RC Pro 2 features a 7-inch touchscreen that folds out from the body, similar to the old Phantom-style controllers, but way more refined. When folded down, it tucks away neatly, giving it a sleek and compact look. The joysticks appear to be screw-in rather than foldable, maintaining the standard removable design we've seen in DJI's previous high-end controllers. But what really stands out is the huge scroll button on the already large controller. What it controls? Well, that's still a mystery. It could be for adjusting an electronic ND filter, or maybe it's fully customizable. Something we'll have to wait and see. Now, back to the drone itself. Igor had previously leaked marketing shots of the base Mavic 4 Pro, the Fly More combo, and the Creator combo, which includes the RC Pro 2. But so far, there's still no sign of the rumored Mavic 4 Cine version. That makes me wonder, was it ever real to begin with, or was it just wishful thinking? Right now, there's no confirmation, so we'll have to keep an eye out for any updates. As for the launch timeline, if DJI sticks to its usual patterns, we're probably just a few weeks away from an official announcement. So yeah, this thing is getting real, and I'll be bringing you more updates as soon as they drop. Stay tuned.